In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a section background using the Hostinger website builder. If you've been looking for ways to make your website more dynamic and visually appealing, adding a video background is a fantastic option. It's super effective in capturing visitor attention and keeping them engaged. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, when you're in the builder, you'll need to click on the section you wish to edit. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click on Edit Section. This is your gateway to customizing the appearance of that particular portion of your website. Next, focus your attention on the image background settings. This is where you start steering the visuals in a direction that complements your site's overall design. Currently, if you're looking to utilize videos as your backgrounds, the Hostinger Builder only supports videos from Pexels. But don't worry, Pexels offers a vast library of beautiful and royalty-free videos suitable for this very purpose. They come in different formats, making it easy for you to find something that fits your vibe, whether it's horizontal for desktop views or vertical for mobile users. Now, if you have your own video that you're eager to feature as a background, you might have to get a bit creative. The builder doesn't directly support personal video uploads, but don't let that hold you back. You can take your video, convert it into a GIF, and upload that GIF as your background image. It's a little workaround that will still deliver an eye-catching visual effect. Back in the section settings, under the Background tab, you'll spot the Video option. Clicking on this allows you to explore and choose from a list of free video backgrounds provided there. They're royalty-free, which means you can use them without any restrictions or concerns about copyright. It's one less thing to worry about as you design your website. It's also good to note that when you're setting a video background, sometimes the text can get a bit lost amid all the visuals. Here's a handy tip. You can adjust the dimness of the video. This handy feature allows you to enhance text readability, ensuring your visitors can easily digest the information you're presenting without straining their eyes. Finally, to find the perfect video that fits your website's theme, make the most of the search function. Pexels has an extensive collection, and with a little searching, you'll undoubtedly find a video that aligns beautifully with your creative vision. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enriching your website with stunning video backgrounds. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy design.